channel, and if you are new to my channel then welcome. So today's video is all about this makeup look, guys. This is basically a blue matte smoky eye look, and I have been trying to create this look for a very long time. At last I did it. I have also done another one, that is the matte brown smoky eyes, on my channel. So if you haven't watched that video, then please click on that eye. I'll be inserting somewhere over here in that card, so click on that eye and you will be able to watch the matte brown smoky eyes. But today I'm going to create this blue, royal blue, sort of very nice smoky eyes, blue matte smoky eyes, and everything is matte. There is nothing shimmer in this look. And the best part about this makeup look is that, guys, I have created this look using all drugstore products. And drugstore products are really easily accessible and they are really affordable. So this is a sort of makeup look which you can wear during this time of the year, during the winter parties, the festive season, as well as during the wedding seasons, which you can just attain and pair it with your favorite outfits and you will look gorgeous, guys. I'm sure this is such a great smoky eye look which just complements all your dresses, and I really love this sort of smoky eyes. I just love smoky eyes, guys. I can't, if you want to select me whether you want a glitter looking eyes or a smoky eyes, I'll be creating a perfect matte smoky eyes. So if you want to know how I got this look, this matte blue smoky eyes paired with a nude lip, then please keep on watching. So I have well prepared my skin for the makeup, and I have moisturized my face using my favorite moisturizer at present, and this is the KRONOKARE moisture cream. Now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm taking an eyebrow pencil. I'm using this NYKAA brow pencil. So following the natural eyebrow line, I'm just gonna line my eyebrow like this. I'm just lining my eyebrows, guys. It's very simple. It's nothing very complicated. So now I'm just filling the gaps in my eyebrows with the same pencil as well. I'll be doing a separate eyebrow tutorial very soon. Doing the same thing in my left eyebrow as well. Now taking a spoolie brush, I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrow so that the eyebrow product that I have put in is well blended. So this is how I generally do my eyebrows. So now for the foundation, I'm using this new Maybelline SUPERSTAY foundation. I have done a complete in-depth review on this foundation, guys. You can just click on that eye to watch it. So I'm just spreading this foundation all over my face in separate dots, and this is a full coverage foundation which will give you a very nice coverage. Now taking my Puna Store blending sponge, I'm just gonna blend it, and you can see a single layer of this foundation is covering up almost everything on my face. It is just covering up my dark spots, my pigmentation and everything. So if you want to try a very nice full coverage foundation, you can just give this a shot. But the only problem with this foundation is that this foundation oxidizes. So this is how my foundation looks now. So for the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. You can use any concealer you have, but this shade is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I just prefer to use this concealer as a highlighting concealer. So I'm just putting it under my eyes. I'm also priming my eyelids with it. I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, Cupid's bow chain, and just blending the same with the help of the sponge. Now to set my face, I'm using a compact. You can use any compact, and I'm using this NYKAA compact, and the formula of this compact is really nice, guys. It just blends into my skin. So I'm just setting my overall face so that my foundation and concealer won't crease. Now I'll be doing my eye makeup, and for this I'm using this Sugar eyeshadow quad in the shade Skyfall, which has got all these 4 shades. So at first I'm going to take this beige shade, which I will be using as a transition color. So I'm just going to put it all over my crease and blend it very nicely. You should take your time and build your transition shade so that it looks very nice and natural. So now I'm taking this mauve shade from the palette and concentrating it in the outer corners of my eyes like this, and dragging it towards the crease to blend it with the previous transition shade. Now I'm taking a blue kajal or a blue eyeliner. You can use any blue eyeliner you have. I'm using this Maybelline one, and I'll be using this eyeliner or kajal as a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just putting it all over my lid like this. And this shade is really nice, guys. And taking a stiff blending brush, I'm just gonna blend it, because this gel liner sets very quickly, so you have to work very fast. This will just help in creating a base for my next eyeshadow to work on. Now I'm taking this gorgeous royal blue shade from the palette. It's a complete matte eyeshadow, so I'm just spritzing a little bit of fixer to get the best pigmentation, and I'm just spreading it all over my lid on the areas where I have put the previous kajal. Taking the previous mauve shade which I have used in the outer corners, I'm just gonna blend so that there is no harsh lines. Taking this same mauve shade, I'm just gonna put it in my lower lash line, followed by that blue royal blue matte shade from the palette. I'm just concentrating it very close to my waterline. Now taking a kajal, I'm using this Plum Nature kajal. You can use any kajal you have in your collection. You don't have to buy this. So I'm just tightlining my upper and lower waterline with this kajal. Now taking a smudger, I'm just gonna smudge it to make my eyes a lot more smoky. This will automatically give you a very nice smoky look. You can just apply this trick. Now I'm using a liner. This is a Lakme Iconic eyeliner. It is a liner pen. It's a felt tip liner pen. So I'm just gonna draw a regular winged eyeliner. You can skip eyeliner for matte smoky eyes look like this, but I just prefer to use liner. So I'm just drawing a regular wing using small strokes on my lid. Now for the mascara, I'm using this Loreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is turning to be one of my favorites now. So I'm just coating my lashes with it. This is not a complete voluminous mascara, guys, but it just separates your lashes and lengthen your lashes very well. I'm just wearing a pair of false eyelash. This is a Pack Mink eyelash, and now I'll be doing my face contouring. And for contouring, I'm using this bronze duo from L'Oreal. You can use any bronzer / contour you have. So I'm just putting it in the hollows of my cheeks and on the forehead, on my jawline, on the areas where I just need to create artificial shadows, because this will just help to make my face look slimmer and a lot more structured. I'm also contouring my nose a little bit to make it a lot more defined. I'm just adding a little bit of pop of color on my cheeks by using a blush. I'm using this sort of peachy blush mixed with a pink blush, and it's from NYKAA. So I'm just popping it on the apples of my face. This will just add a little bit of warmth to your face, and it will look very nice and gorgeous. Now for the highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome, and it's one of my favorite blinding highlighters I have in my collection. So I'm just popping this on the highest points of my face. You can use any highlighter. You can even use a shimmery champagne eyeshadow as a highlighter. So I'm just putting it on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with the same highlighter as well. I'm also highlighting my brow bone with the same. And this is how my face is looking after highlighting. Now for the lipstick, I'm using this NYX Liquid Sweat Lip Color in the shade Soft Spoken, and it's a mauvey nude shade with a lot of browns in it, and it just complements this blue eye look really nice, and it's really having a very nice comfortable matte finish and long wearing, and it will not at all dry out your lips. For the setting spray, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. You can use normal rose water to set your makeup as well. And this is the complete finished look. So that's all, guys. This is the finished look, and this is how it turned out, and I'm really happy with a finished look. I have even curled my hair. This is how it turned out, and this sort of makeup look is really suitable for every skin tone. So if you are way fair to medium to dark, then I think creating this sort of matte smoky eyes will complement your look a lot. So I hope you like this video. If you did, then please hit on the like button, guys, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, or if you're just watching me for the first time, then please take a moment and subscribe and press on the notification bell to get updates about my future videos, and the bell is next to the subscribe button. So we'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.